Here we've got the helicopter we're looking for earlier on, G and I. It looks like a Chinook. We couldn't find anything, and now we've got everything at once, so we have. Here we've got the helicopter we're looking for earlier on, G and I. It looks like a Chinook. We couldn't find anything, and now we've got everything at once, so we have. Today it's I.G.Faulkner. We're actually looking for A. King Farm Services mowing, but we haven't caught them yet. As you can see, we have Criffle in the background here. It's very, very windy again, but not a lot else we can do. That's my assistant, Farmer Pro J there, doing the best he can. Let's hope it's good enough. I'll catch him when he comes back down and see if the mowers are anywhere close by. Anyway, we thought we'd found the mower, but we haven't. It's spreading up machine, so we'll still have to go and look for the mower. So we shall. So we'll just take a couple of minutes. Was it a 5620? Was it? Oh, there you go. Oh, you've been doing your homework. Anyway, that's us looking down to Cast Thorn there in the background, if we can just find it here. And I think the tide's possibly coming in, I'm not sure. But it's a great view from up here. Just a pity we can't find it anyway. So it's actually on an 05 plate. So it's very, very windy again, so it's probably not very good.